Marico makes 227 crore rupees strategic acquisition to expand food portfolio. Marico Limited has entered into definitive agreements to acquire a 93.27% stake in Zee Maize Private Limited, the company that owns the premium gourmet snacking brand, 4700 BC. The acquisition will be carried out through a cash consideration of up to 226.83 crore rupees and will result in Zee Maize becoming a subsidiary of Marico upon completion of the transaction. The deal is expected to close within 30 days, subject to customary closing conditions. Zee Maize operates in the packaged food segment and has built 4700 BC into one of India's leading premium gourmet snacking brands. The brand has a strong presence across modern trade, e-commerce platforms, and multiplex consumption channels, positioning it well within the premiumization trend in urban consumption. From a strategic perspective, the acquisition aligns closely with Marico's long-term priorities of expanding its total addressable market in value-added foods. By adding a differentiated, premium snacking brand to its portfolio, Marico strengthens its presence beyond staples and mass categories, targeting higher margin, faster growing segments driven by changing consumer preferences. Financially, Zee Maize has demonstrated strong growth momentum over the past few years. The company reported revenues of 48.47 crore rupees in FY23, 75.29 crore rupees in FY24, and 98.66 crore rupees in FY25, reflecting rapid scale-up. Notably, the brand's annualized run rate for the October-December 2025 period is estimated at around 140 crore rupees, indicating accelerating demand and improved market penetration. Marico will also have the right to acquire the remaining stake in Zee Maize after 3 years from the execution date. This structure allows Marico to retain strategic flexibility while aligning long-term incentives with performance outcomes. Overall, the acquisition of 4700 BC marks a meaningful step in Marico's inorganic growth strategy, strengthening its premium foods portfolio and positioning the company to capitalize on the expanding organized snacking market in India. For investors, the deal highlights Marico's focus on future-ready categories, premiumization, and sustainable long-term growth beyond its traditional core segments. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.